What's going on, everybody? So today we have a 2019 Mustang Gen 3 Coyote with the 10R80. This is the owner.
How you guys doing?
This is Kenny. So tell me about this thing, dude.
It's a 2019 Mustang GT, like you said. It's got a Vortech V3 JT on it with a 333 pulley, return style fuel system, twin side lead pumps, and stock motor, stock transmission, and it's just got a QuickTime Pro on the back, and just pretty simple street car.
Badass, man. So you want to say about how much horsepower it makes?
I'd say between 850 and 900.
Nice.
My old setup went 992 at 140, and we just got this on there about 2-3 weeks ago, and I haven't had time to go to the track since it's still cold up north.
Yeah.
But we'll see what it does when it opens up.
Yeah, we got a Ohio guy here.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. Traveled all the way down here for TX2K?
Yep. This is my 4th year in a row bringing a car, and I love it. I heard it might be the last year, so I couldn't miss it this time.
Oh, yeah. Hey, and I just realized I have the Sandusky, Ohio auto part shirt. I didn't even realize that. That's funny as hell. All right, so we're going to take this thing out and do some pulls and see what it can do. But it's going to be fun.
Ready? Yep. Because that's why I had traction problems at home. I come down here and hit it on the new tires. I'm like, damn, that thing hooks.
Yeah, that thing, wow. That was instant.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was nice, dude.
It's fun. I like it a lot.
Well, Kenny, I appreciate you bringing this car out, bro. This was badass, man. This thing's pretty nasty.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to do this.
Yes, sir.